Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, we are gonna do the second lab from Portugal, which is SQL injection vulnerability allowing login bypass. Okay, the lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the login function. Solve the lab, perform an SQL injection attack that logs into the application as the administrator user. Okay, so let's exit the lab here and let's try to guess the query as they have not provided the query here that is being used on the server side to get the SQL. Okay, we have to bypass the login. So the username is administrator here. Okay, let's try. Let's try default one first. Admin, and you can see here it's saying invalid username and password. Okay, let's try to guess what query is being used on the server side. So I'm gonna try select, let's say, everything from users where username equals admin and password equals admin. Okay, let's say if this query is being executed on the server side that we just passed here, admin will be replaced as username and the password was also admin here. Okay, so let's try to inject a single quote now here and try to break the query. Okay, login, type in anything as we are typing in the username here and trying to break the query here. Okay, let's log in and you can see the query is back. This confirms that there is something happening in the SQL syntax so that it's giving a server error on the application. Okay, let's try here. If I say here, if I say select everything from users where username equals admin and just comment out rest of the part here after that. Okay, so we inject this payload single quote and then double dashes that to comment out rest of the part. So it's gonna return true as the username and password exist and the application will create a session ID and log us in. Okay, let's try here admin single quote and comment out rest of the part admin. Okay, doesn't work. Oh, actually I got the problem. The username is administrator. As you can see, we have fixed the query here. If I try normally here and just type in anything, it will say invalid username and password. So this confirms that the query is the rest of the query is commented out and we can see the admin. So I'm going to type in administrator and single quote and comment out rest of the part and just type in anything, doesn't matter here. Let's see, and you can see we are logged in as administrator and we solved the lab successfully here. Okay, so let's sum up the things that we learned. We just commented out rest of the part. So the new query was, okay, let's copy here to here. So the new query was that we said here administrator and this was the original query here. What we said is inject a single quote and comment out rest of the part here. Okay, so after the admin we have the access to input in the middle of the here. Okay, the between this code, so we just injected here and commented out rest of the part. So the new query will be here, this one, and this says here select everything from users where username equals administrator. So the SQL will find the username and administrator, return it to the web application. It will not check the password if it's true or not. It will just return True, as there is an administrator user, so the web application will create a session and log us into the web application. Okay, so I think I hope you understood. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.